In this video, I'll detail how to shut down Apple Watch Series 9. So if you are using Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm with GPS or GPS and cellular, this video is going to show you how you can easily turn off or shut down your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways that you can use to shut down or turn off your Apple Watch Series 9. You can use the button or use the settings page. So first, press the digital crown once and click on settings. Once you select the settings, scroll down and click on general. Then under general, just keep scrolling and then locate shutdown. Then you'll be prompted to shut down your Apple Watch Series 9 by clicking on the shutdown icon at the top right. Then slide to power off. Slide this is going to power off your Apple Watch Series 9. Now, another way you can use to shut down or power off your Apple Watch Series 9 is by pressing the side button. Press the side button and hold it for like 4 seconds. Then you should feel the haptics in your hand, and once you feel the vibration, then go ahead and click on the power button at the top right. Then you should see power off. Then slide this to power off your Apple Watch Series 9. So that's how you can easily turn off or power off Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.